Hello guys, today it's Tug Swin here. I'm going over a little install of mine. I got the envelope in the mail. Inside the envelope is Byzee. This is the Finishing Touch Vinyl Art that I got off of Amazon. So low quality on the packaging, as it did just come in an envelope, but we will be installing the mountain, range, and forest over my Subaru logo in the back. So the things I'm going to need today is just some cleaning for the back window and black paint, some painter's tape, I'll show you why in a minute, some cloth that is clean, and some rubbing alcohol. So alright, I'll go ahead and get to it. This is really all about the prep, making sure the surface is clean before I install anything. So I'm going to wipe it down with the glass cleaner, then the alcohol, wipe it all down, and go from there. I have a better way right now of applying the alcohol, but I want to make sure it gets in everywhere, gets all the dirt and grime off. And then since I'm done up here, I can go ahead to the surrounding areas and just wipe it down so it's not on my paint. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down with a dry towel. Then I will be grabbing the painter's tape and the stencil. So you're going to apply the painter's tape to the top of the wax paper side. Line it up to where you want it. And then apply the painter's tape. What that will do is make sure it's in place. Now we just need to peel off this back. And go from the top downward. Most of the other vinyls are easier to go top down, but since this one is short, it's sort of difficult, so I didn't do exactly how they suggested, but this is just a little rough go at it here. So I'm going to remove this side of it. Everything on there is actually really well, so I like that. And then any bubbles or anything like that, try to just push out to the side. If not, some of them will go away through heat. And that's it, guys. So quick little install of the vinyls. I found this company on Amazon, and they actually have an Etsy shop as well. I'll link both in the description below. And if you have any questions, just reach out. I thought this was a really quick, simple, just trying to see how it looks on my car. Just a little something different on my 2020 Crosstrek. So if y'all have anything, please leave in the comments below. And until next time, peace.